What is up, guys? Just wanted to show you my final version of my do-it-yourself swing arm. So I got it all finished with trims. So if I do swing it out, it has a lock. Got the 35s mounted. License plate. I'm not sure if I want to keep the license plate right there or move it down low. I actually added a bike rack as well. So this swing arm, this tie carrier opens with a door. Remounted the camera right there. I gotta plug this hole. So if you guys have any recommendation, let me know. But this is how it operates. It's pretty easy. Well, I'm trying to do it one hand. Open that. Just swing this open. The whole thing opens with the door, like so. It's the back, and you can still use this if you want. Close it up. Like that, it's on there. It ain't going nowhere. And that is my tire carrier.